Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. This video is all about between Gumloop and n8n, which one is better for automation. If you're trying to automate your workflows using AI tools, APIs, and no-code platform, you're probably heard of Gumloop and n8n. These both platforms let you build automated workflows without writing complex code, but the question is which one is actually better for you. In this video, I'll break down the pros and cons of Gumloop and n8n, show how each one works, and help you decide which is the best fit for your business or creative projects. So going to n8n is super easy and simple. You just have to simply search for it on the browser and sign up with your account, and after that you will be onto its dashboard, which is also its homepage. So to start creating, you have the two options. Either you can do it through Scratch or you can use the simple AI agent, which are like the templates which will help you to do your work. So it's up to you whatever option you would like to do it. So if we talk about the n8n, it is the open source and self-hosted. The biggest edge on n8n has its own fully open source. You can host it yourself for free, control all your data and customize anything. Also, its workflow interface is super easy. You just have to simply add your desired apps and connect it with your other desired apps and manage tasks. It uses the node to node system. Every block can represent an API call, data filter, code block, or an AI action. This gives you control over every step in your workflow. Also, it is AI integrated. It supports OpenAI and Hugging Face and can connect with any LLM and API. It can create multiple agents, automate content generation, build recursive AI flows, or combine AI with email, webhooks, Notion, and more. It has advanced logic and functions. So with it, you can add JavaScript inside function nodes, use loops, branching, error handling, conditional checks, making it super powerful divs and data heavy workflows. Also, it is scalable and private. Since you can self-host n8n, it's ideal for businesses that care about data privacy or want unlimited usage without hitting platform limits. It also has some drawbacks. n8n has a steeper learning curve. It's very less visual and more technical. So if you're not familiar with APIs or workflow logic, it can be really hard for you at first try. So let's move to our second one, which is the Gumloop. You can easily access it through its website. Gumloop is a newer automation tool that focuses heavily on AI first automation, especially for creators, startups, and marketeers who want to build smart workflows quickly. AI powered automation at its core. So, Gumloop is designed from the ground up to work with AI. It has built in support for OpenAI, Claude, and other LLMs. So you can easily create chatbots, content generators, or auto reply system in just a few clicks. You can either start creating from scratch or use its templates. It has pre-made templates like AI email responders, lead qualification agents, Notion, Slack, Discord integrations, ChatGPT powered content pipelines. You can use any one of them, whatever you prefer, you can just simply get them and start working onto it. One standard feature is its real-time AI agents. You can deploy bots that constantly listen for input like form submission, DMs, or new rows in a sheet and respond using GPT automatically. And its interface is very much modern and easy to use. It uses its built-in tools to monitor your workflows, view inputs and outputs, and get alerts if something breaks. Very friendly for small teams and solo founders. But if we talk about its downside, Gumloop is newer and not as customizable as n8n. It's built for ease, not depth. Also, if you want to host it yourself or run huge custom logic, it might feel limited. If you go to its interface, you can see you just have to simply connect different sort of platforms, give them your work, and everything will be work done by the AI. If talk about the comparison, so which automation platform is best? Choose Gumloop if you want to build AI workflows quickly. You're solo founder, marketer, or content creator. You need a clean, no-code interface with AI built-in. You care about more about speed than customization, and use n8n if you're comfortable with logic, APIs, or JavaScript. You want total control over your automation. You want to self host and scale without limits. You need advanced AI workflows with logic branches. So, this was all about the breakdown of Gumloop versus n8n. Choose as per your choice or requirement. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. Leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you for watching the video.